I just want to introduce everybody to Dogsync. Dogsync is the world's first multi-user app built specifically for dog owners to help them delegate and communicate tasks swiftly. So, what's the problem we're solving? What does that mean? Well, you got a whole bunch of people looking after your dog, and then you got to do a whole bunch of stuff, and then your dog. And you think more people means, okay, less work. It'll be easy, we're going to split up the tasks. But you actually get a dog, and you realize the communication just becomes insane. You know, you get home, and you're like, oh, the dog walked? I don't know, I'm going to text everyone. Sometimes you get a response, sometimes you don't. You walk them a second time, or you don't, and then you piece in the house, or your dog gets fed twice. I'm not going to go over every scenario in the world, but it can become a pain in the ass. All for this little So the pack's got a saying sync, and that's where Dogsync comes in. So I'm going to show you guys a little demo. This is actually our MVP, our official version, and this is the sexy new logo. It's going to be coming out in April. But I got a little video for you guys to show you how it actually works. So you see Dogsync's up in the top left corner. You open it up and you got actions and requests. We're going to hit actions to let everyone know that we've done something. We got simple buttons that represent the stuff you do just about every day for your dog, like for example, walk, which we're going to do. So we're hitting walk. We're letting everyone know. At the same time, get push notifications as Ben walked Winston at 3:20. And it also goes into the calendar. And we use badges, so it's very visual within language barrier. And you just know. You get home, it's like, I'm not going to text everyone. Oh, good, we can walk. It's perfect. And you can also ask for stuff to be done. So if I'm out at Newtech and I didn't feed the dog, I should feed, select who I want to request something from, and most of the communication gets handled for you. So in the request section, that will be pending. Everyone else in your pack gets a notification about it, and you'll see one of the notifications come down pretty soon when somebody accepts your request. There you go. So Leslie accepted the feed action request. There's no audio, but it would have had a little fun dog bark to notify you, which sometimes makes the dogs freaks out, but it's all good. And of course now Leslie has fed the dog, so I'm out here at Newtech, but perfect, my dog's fed, I don't have to worry, he's not going to eat my couch. And that's all the demo we have. There's a couple other really fun things. Of course you get analytics, but we'll go over that later. So the market. In North America alone, there's over 80 million dogs. And that number is growing faster than the most popular pet. Over 46 million families with dogs in the United States. And that's really our core market, is families and dogs, maybe roommates, but it's multiple people, because when you're looking after a dog and more people, you've got to communicate. In the US alone, over $53 billion is spent on stuff for people's dogs, not including the dogs. That's food, treats, toys, all that sort of things, and that's a large number. So how can we use this info to monetize? So, I hate ads. The first thing we thought is like, okay, we'll do ads, but what if you could use that information to actually do something useful for somebody? Because these are the things you're registering every single day. You gotta walk your dog, you gotta feed it. So we thought, why not an intelligent storefront that customizes itself based on the information we have about your dog? Because when you walk into a pet store, there's 80 types of food. Which one is right for your dog? There's so many different toys. This is exactly what's right for your dog based on the information that you're giving us, the breed, the weight, the age, and of course your geographical location as well, because if it's Montreal in the winter, you've got to get small dog shoes. So this is, we can basically take a small commission off each sale or use it as a PPC engine and let people actually build ads for their products, because there's hundreds of thousands, not millions of small companies that build products for dogs, and they don't have a way to inexpensively advertise direct to their market. And like we saw before, people are spending a lot of money on their dogs, and that's just the US. Not even worldwide. So to get this stuff out to people, we're building partnerships with different distributors like BarkBox, dog walking companies as well, because they use it to notify their clients that the dog's been walked, and they get every single one of their clients to use it. We also are in contact with major dog websites like Dogster and dog magazines to be featured in articles in April when we launch. And there's many individual channels where dog owners' eyes are, and we can get direct to our market there and not have to fight for attention with over 1 million apps in the App Store. So these are competitors. Most of them are just Facebooks or Instagrams for dogs. They're not direct competitors yet, but they could be at any second. So we're staying on our toes. We're not ignoring them. And this is our team. Our CFO, Abe, our iOS engineer, Adam, Enoch is our back-end guy, I'm the CEO, and our graphic designer, Corey, who of course has a dog. Because if he didn't, I wouldn't have heard. And guys, Dogsync version 2.0 is launching in April. It's going to be really sexy. I didn't want to show you anything today. I wanted to keep it a surprise, but stay tuned.